can't keep up. What's up, YouTube? DapperxDan here. Riding with my buddy. And that guy don't want to wave. He's got a Sportster 1200. And it is way faster than this bike. This pops really loud. At like 4,000 RPM. Hey, I don't know if he saw us. I can't keep up. Wow. There's no replacement for displacement. I don't know what gear he's in, but he's got way more torque than me. And we got some Loveland police. Luckily, they ignore cruisers. So we're good. Yeah, I know, I saw him. Did anyone else when they were a kid play on the dinosaur at singular gas stations? I have vivid memories of doing that. I think every kid has, though. Yeah, this is my buddy who had the 701 Husqvarna Supermoto. And he traded that in for this, I think it's brand new 2019 Sportster 1200. I love that blue that's on it. That blue and white looks so good. Ah, yeah. He likes how it sounds. It's crazy the difference in torque.
What's that?
The difference in torque. When you gun it, I can't keep up. Yeah. Hey, or not. Why is nobody waving today? It's a nice day out. Ah, yeah. Yeah, he's got mid pegs and I got feet forward pegs. There we go. How'd you get over? Alright. Jeez. I could probably go lower in the turn though, because his exhaust hangs down way low. I don't know what you put your foot down for. Oh, he's getting pretty low. He's almost scraping his exhaust there. He got some hand guards.
Sure.
Sure.
We can get a soda pop.
Yeah, yeah, that works.
Oh, it's on the other one.
Send it. I can't do that, my bars are too low. Where are you going? Oh yeah, crap, they're doing road work here. Was that my exhaust? Oh my goodness. This new road feels good. Go where?
You want me to just go to that gas station down there? Is that something big?
Alright. Here's my good turn here. Oh, ran over a dead squirrel. Oh my goodness, why is traffic backed up so much? Hey! You dabbed on him.
I always like when I can get sport bike riders to wave back.
Yeah, yeah. They usually wave back for me. They just won't wave first.
Yeah, maybe they know. They're like, that guy looks like he owns a multitude of different bikes.
Yeah, yeah.
Motorsport bike, Uber. You're living the dream, Dan.
Yeah, I saw that dab. I was like, woo!
Hey!
We got some cold sodas. Now we're heading back. Yeah, he's got the mid pegs on there, which are nice. You can actually stand up a little bit. It's really nice weather, surprisingly. Today, the day of this recording, is the last day of September. But it'll probably be the end of October by the time this video comes out. It's amazing what some torque will do. He's probably got, I don't know, 20 foot-pounds more torque than me, at least. Traffic was going way backed up the other way, so taking a different route back. It's really nice weather, actually. It's like 70 degrees. Nice if we get like a bunch of cruisers out here and ride. That would be so fun. He's got those solid wheels on there. Those are nice. Guys, get up on those bumps. So quick. Golly. Do a U-turn.
Those girls were waving and shit, so I followed them.
Okay. That's not a supermoto, you're skidding it around.
Like a supermoto, but it's a Harley.
Yeah, it's like twice as heavy.
Yeah, I almost dropped the first time I was trying to practice some drifts and shit. I almost dropped.
Oh wow.
I used my muscles to
Jeez.
I just get some like flame sliders and shit.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Before I get to crazy. I don't want to drop my muscles.
Yeah.
Like send it, but also, you know, I don't want to pay the difference.
Send it almost. So mostly send it. Down, I can kind of keep up. Got those Harley vibes going. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, it's still going.
That's my favorite.
Hey, we got, I don't know what that is. Some other Harley though. I'm not gonna try and guess and get crucified in the comments. Like so much louder than mine. Covering his ears. There we go, we can make it, yeah. That guy in the blue car, he's like covering his ears.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry.
Sorry, not sorry.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, he was next to us at the light, and then we were taking off. We were like right next to him, and he was like this, just covering his ear.
I thought he was just itching his ear or something. I looked over for a second. I was like, I wonder if we're just too darn loud. Yeah, it's kind of surprisingly easy to lock up the rear brake on this bike.
Oh yeah, I've done it several times on this one. Like people are like not going in the left lane, and I'll go around them or something in the right lane, and then there'll be a couple cars there, and I'll accidentally lock it up. Yeah.
I was just like trying to like drift and stuff in a parking lot, like relatively new paved parking lot that's close to my house. And I was like on the brakes and stuff, and it's like, this is like easier to lock up the rears on this than it was on my supermoto. Kind of fucking crazy.
Yeah, it's probably stickier tire on the supermoto.
Yeah, probably. You coming in?
Yeah, sure, I'll come in.
You want me there?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
All right. Let's see if we can make the green light. Nope. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much everything I got for you today. Thanks for joining me on this little cruising adventure with my buddy. Ooh, that's a nice taco. I like that lift. Wonder if we're heavy enough to trigger the sensor. I don't know if we're heavy enough. I don't know if we're heavy enough for the sensor. Get some other cars up.
We'll just run it. Solo, man. Solo.
Yeah. I think there is some kind of deadlight law. There it goes. It's yellow. Nope, still can't keep up. Alright, anyway guys, if you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.